Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to clear up search history in Amazon Prime Video application. So let's dive ahead into the video. First of all, launch open Prime Video application from your app drawer and make sure to sign into your account as well. Once you open up the main home page of Amazon Prime Video, tap on your profile picture at the top right hand corner. Now, tap on the gear icon at the top right and you will come across this menu. Scroll down and tap on Clear Video Search History, and in the pop-up select Yes in order to clear your search history on Amazon Prime Video. So that's how it can be easily accomplished. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.